Yo, it's your boy Boog, and I'm back with another video. And today, you already know what it is. We got the GOAT, the heavy hitter in her. But we're gonna turn her into a speed runner, you know what I'm saying? So for the first perk, I'll be using Bomb Squad just to get through hands and hit his traps. For the second perk, we're gonna be running Ran track for extra endurance. That's important. Last but not least, we got Overlook, so Grandpa would not detect us when his solar ability goes off. Perfect for speed runs. If you guys do want to try this build, here's my skill tree. You guys can just go ahead and follow suit from here on out. Having this type of build in this game is actually OP just because Anna is already tough and you're making her proficiency high. So she's a locksmith expert basically, and then on top of that she's fast. But yeah, that's OD. 28 into proficiency and just put 5 into endurance. I can play with the other 5, but make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. I'm gonna go ahead and jump into the video.
I hate how Virginia dies, bro. Oh my goodness.
Look, get off my ass, nigga. Ain't even no pick over You think it's funny? I'm gonna punch you in your fucking throat.
Oh, yeah, you be nice to that nigga, but when it's me, see what I'm saying?
Yeah, cause you take it from me.
Shut up, nigga.
Shut
the fuck up, nigga.
Shut
the fuck up, nigga. Fuck is wrong with you?
Just mad cause she yelling at a light skinned nigga. You sensitive ass light skinned ass nigga. Shut up.
Fucking tired of you motherfuckers, bro.
I don't give a fuck, nigga. Go to sleep.
Right, nigga.
Alright.
I don't give a fuck if you tired, nigga. Lay down. What's wrong with you?
Night, fuck, nigga.
Okay, Anna. Stay calm. You can use this. Locks.
Hurry up and open that fucking door. I know somebody not coming down here. I'm about to get off.
He just put in a trap
I'm about
by
to
the
get off.
fucking stairs.
Wow, whoopsie.
Can I get through there?
I'm doing a fuse.
Well, I'm about to die, so, you know,
What?
go ahead at this fucking point.
These niggas suck. I just got the what's it called off this bitch.
Cause
I
nobody
know you're
help
not
me.
chasing me, gang.
Please.
They're talking chasing me, so. Oh! You just got me killed! No!
I didn't do it. That was not me.
I got my slow.
Whoa! Nah, gang, I'm about to die. Bro, no! Bro, the game tweaking! I'm about to die! I'm dead. I'm dead, yo.
That was not my fault, bro. I was running her.
Hey, yo.
You had to come down
hey, yo.
stairs.
Oh! No! Fuck this fucking game, nigga. I'm going to bed. I got chased by 2 of these fuck niggas.
Yeah, I'm good.
Who just crawl past? Go kill her ass.
Watch out, bitch.
Bro, you heard me say I'm getting chased in the basement.
Did I upgrade this nigga? What's it called? I probably didn't.
Ow. Bro.
Connie, I'm over here.
Wait, are we making noise? We always make noise. It don't even matter. Stop! You know what? I don't even give a fuck. Stop doing that dumb shit.
Please let this stuff be safe.
Should be pissing me off.
But it suddenly be feeling like he moving faster than Connie when I be on it, doing these doors.
Okay, stay quiet, Anna. Right there. Well, hello.
Right Twitter. Right center. What the fuck? Where the damn bone straps at, man? There it go.
Who the fuck hit the wheel already?
I'm finna put the
Probably
pressure handle
Bug.
on.
Dude, it's fuck- no, Book, fuck you. Over here taking my pics with I only got one. Shit is irritating.
I think
Okay,
I can make it.
what's the call right there?
That's it, Anna. Stay hidden.
Somebody's over here
Ain't
by
got
over here. By
It's me,
battery.
nigga.
I should see what that is.
Somebody coming up right now, right towards Jay.
Did it see me? Oh, of course it's Sissy at Nancy. Oh, I'm already at a stem. I'm about to die.
I think I'm okay.
Thank you. I ran up there.
Please, God, help me.
Oh, hands coming too.
Oh my god.
Close the door.
I got
Okay,
a
I
little
think-
bitty bottle of hell. I think she got some radio. Did you open the back door?
You opened the back door.
Doing this to me. Please stop.
I want to kick this motherfucker.
I mean, I got my fast food.
Oh, you poor.
Yeah, I opened garden.
Wait. What's
Oh,
that?
Hinge is right here. Oh my god, I can't go to no door.
It's not great, but
Generator off.
I was trying to go up garden, but Hinge is camping. He was camping in here. He probably about to go install it back on.
He about to right now.
Julie finna piss me off. Oh, I think I just got her killed. My bad, bitch.
what's that?
Why
over
he
there?
coming after me? He was going after. Oh my god! They all three on me. I'm about to die. And then this bitch gonna get me killed. Okay. I'm about to die. I'm done. I can't do this shit. I'm dead. I'm fucking dead. This bitch Julie just pissed me the fuck off. Oh my god. This bitch start running for no
Hey, I
apparent
put the
reason.
pressure tank on. It's going off. It's gonna go off.
I don't think y'all understand. This bitch ran to me. I'm like, okay, let me try to go up real quick. And then they
Pressure
all
tank
come
is
to me.
finna go off.
Nigga, I heard you. Damn.
I'll let you know, black ass. The fuck?
White ass.
Bitch, why are you chasing me?
Leave me alone.
I'm out this bitch.
Hold on, I know you're not chasing me.
He can't ripstall on me.
Oh
He can't.
shit. Oh my god, bro.
There's no way he can ripstall, right?
Back up, bitch.
How did we both get hit by that? Okay.
My God.
I thought you actually died. I'm tripping.
Can people stop playing on their face? Like, I'm tired of it. Actually, never mind.
Oh God. Where am
What?
I? What is this place? This looks like some kind of lockpick. Thank God. I wonder where this goes.
Oh, it disconnected him too. Why is he coming after me?
Finally.
That's why you miss, ugly bitch. This nigga's fault? No, I think he turned it off. Oh, so Book just leaving and ain't saying a damn word. Okay. Guess he got it.
I ain't gonna lie, gang. I am locked. My bad. I want to do the same thing I always go through. That stair door. The gym.
Yes, please fit in that lock. Please.
I think the other place coming over here.
Thank you. I might be able to break those locks now.
Shut the fuck up.
Oh my god. Thank you. Julie.
Kick Jen, Julie. Jay, come on. Kick Jen.
Oh. I might die. Oh, I actually might.
Thank God.
Speed run crazy.
Wait, what door?
Not the one opposite the
I ran to the
crack.
wrong door.
Opposite the crack.
I ran to the wrong one.
Damn. Carry on. Well, Julie opened up both doors, so.
No. Please, God.
Both doors
Find a
open.
way to open this thing.
Come on, Jay. Run, Jay. Come through the crack, too. And come through the little under thing. I locked both doors.
Shortcut.
Speed
No,
run.
I don't want to disconnect after I get out. Like it wasn't a 2v.
I'm good.
Do it, because I know you want to.
Just stay calm.
I want to see what you're going to do. Nope.
Please, God. God.